Hey guys, in this video I will show you League of Legends not launching. Quick fix. Alright, let's begin. First, open your computer and go to the Riot Games folder where Valorant is installed. Inside the folder, locate valorant.exe, which is the main game application used to launch the game. Right-click on the file and select Properties to open the Settings menu. Next, head over to the Compatibility tab and click on Change High DPI Settings and check the option to override high DPI scaling behavior. Press OK to save the settings. Now, return to the Compatibility section and enable Compatibility mode if the game still does not open correctly. You can also enable the option to run the program as an administrator for smoother performance and disable full screen optimizations. Once everything is selected, click Apply and then OK to save all changes. So that's basically League of Legends not launching. Quick fix. That's it for this video. Thanks.